Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So I'm back with a Punjabi recipe today. We are making Lobia Masala. Now Lobia is a variety of beans and it's called black-eyed beans in English. There are two variants of this beans, which is white and red. I'm using the red colored beans today to make this dish. The detailed ingredients list required for this dish is given in the description box. Please do check it out. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I've got lobia here, or black-eyed peas. There are two varieties of lobia available. One is the white one and the other one is the red one. So I'm using the red variety here. I've already pressure cooked this with some salt for 3 to 4 whistles until this was soft. So I've done this and already kept it ready. The masalas that we require is turmeric, red chilli powder, coriander powder, roast cumin powder and garam masala. Whole spices we require cumin, cinnamon, cloves and black pepper. We'll also need some finely chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, finely chopped tomatoes, lime juice, Kasuri Methi, coriander leaves and a few green chilies according to your taste. We'll also need some oil to make the dish. So let's start making the masala. I've kept a kadai on fire on medium flame, poured around 2 tablespoons of oil into it. I'm going to add the cumin seeds. We'll let the cumin splatter for a minute. Spluttered and the aroma has come out. Now let's add in the whole spices. We'll cook them for a minute. Now in goes the green chilli and the onions. We'll cook the onions until they are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, we'll add in the ginger and garlic paste. Now we'll cook this until the ginger and garlic paste are not raw anymore and the onions turn slightly golden brown. Have started browning, so now we'll add in the tomatoes. We'll cook the tomatoes until they are soft. You can add a little bit of salt to this now, but keep in mind we've already added salt to the beans or lobia. So I'm going to add a teeny bit of salt here. Now let's cook the tomatoes until they are soft. Tomatoes have softened. So now we'll add in all the masala powders. Along with that we'll add a little bit of water. So that the masalas don't burn. Now we'll cook the masalas until oil separates and that will take around 3 to 4 minutes. The masalas are cooked and you can see the oil has come to the sides. Now we'll add in the cooked lobia or beans. I've also saved some stock which I'm using. Mix everything very well. You can add as much water as you want. I've added sufficient water to the gravy. You can check the salt right now, and if you need more, you can add a little more salt. Adjust it according to your taste. Now on medium flame, we'll let this cook for another 10 minutes. So the gravy has been boiling for 10 to 12 minutes. Now I'm going to bring the flame down. Let's squeeze the lime juice. And add the Kasuri Methi. Mix it well and let this come to a boil for a minute. It's boiled for a minute. I'm going to switch off the stove and add some chopped coriander leaves. And the dish is ready. So Lobia masala is ready. It's a very spicy and very tasty dish which you can have with rice, parathas or rotis. So I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and click the bell while subscribing. Until I see you next time, bye bye.